Hello guys! So today I'm going to speak English and vlog in English just to try it out. This feels so weird. My further plan into the future is to move out from Norway and speak English in my vlogs. I think it's fun to just try out, and yeah. So today, as you can see, it's very nice weather outside. It makes me so happy, and my MacBook is working really hard. Yeah. So my plan today is to wash my hair, because I've had those braids for I don't know, 4 or 5 days now. I have just put it off because I wanted to make this hair routine video. I usually don't wash my hair that often. I wash it maybe 2 times a week. I try not to wash it so much because I think it's a bit damaging for the hair. Wow, look at this. What else do I do with my hair? I actually just cut it for free at Cutters because they were searching for models, and Kiwi! Say hello! Say hello in English. Yeah, I found it on Marketplace, so I just wrote to them and then I got an appointment. So now that my video is finished, I have to upload it here. So here it is. Yeah, Kiwi, don't touch anything now. He's so fat that actually when he lands here, he types. Yes, you're a bit fat, but I like you that way. Yes. Look at this beautiful weather. And down there, they're making so much noise because they're renovating this house, so yeah, that sucks. And now I'm just making coffee. I'm just cleaning up a little. And now I'm just waiting for the sound. I've actually worked for the past 2 days, so I'm so happy that I can be at home and just chill with some coffee and vlogging. Yeah, all by myself. I'm always the first person to get up, so every day I have 3 hours, maybe 4 by myself here to do whatever I want to do. Yeah, you hear how noisy that is? It's actually kind of fun to speak in English. You should try it. Voila, here is my breakfast, and I always like to use the rest of this in the water, so it tastes good and it's easy to drink. Yeah. I don't like my coffee totally black, so I have to borrow some milk from Benjamin.
Of course.
Of course. totally stopped to use any sugar or some sweetener in my coffee. Here is Nike, by the way. Oh, so cute. Hi. Hi. And while I'm drinking my coffee, I can try to explain how it is to have a budgie, because many of you have asked me if there's a lot of work and if I can talk a little bit about having a budgie. So this is Kiwi, if you don't know him. He's around 1 year old, a little bit more. He's an English budgie, which means he's a little bit bigger. I have a friend that has a budgie as well, and her budgie is very small, so I think she has the Australian one. There's only 2 types. Okay, let me tell you about maybe the downsides first. Someone has asked if there's a lot of cleaning, and as you can see, it has to be cleaned soon. I always have his food on the ground because it's more natural for them to pick foods on the ground. And then I have this paper sheets down here, so he can, because he sits a lot of the time he sits over here, so then he poops right down there, so I can just change the paper. For me, it's I don't think it's stress to change the cage. I do it maybe like every 1.5 months. They do poop a lot. They poop like every 10 minutes. Yeah, someone is out here and having fun. They're like neighbors, so they're watching each other. I don't know if you can see, but there is like spots here and there. I have to clean this. So everywhere he flies, he like poops everywhere. But what is good about their poop is that they don't smell, and they are very easy to like take away. They don't like smudge or anything if you do it carefully. So I think it's very easy. I mean, it's the easiest poop you can like clean up, and if you let it dry, then it will dry and you can just pick it up. If they make any noise, yes they do, but very little. Maybe if we let him be here alone for a whole day and he's like very attention sick, he will start to make very loud noises just to get our attention. Just like a little baby. Yes, yes you are a little baby. He's so cute. The perks of having a budgie: you have a really nice and smart friend. He's very smart, he loves people, he has a lot of personality. I think every animal has a good personality. Give them the chance to like shine through. And that's what we have done with him. So that's why everyone is like, oh, he has such a personality. But yeah, I think every animal has that. And always when I just wake up, I open the cage so he can fly wherever he wants. And oftentimes he flies into my room and just plays with all the jewelry here, and just he also loves to like walk on the floor and stand there and watch himself. Yeah, so he has a lot of freedom. I think that is very important if you have a budgie, because they are very smart, they need a lot of toys. They're just like us, they get very easily bored. Give them the chance to play, they are very playful, smart, and he loves to talk. I mean, he imitates me and Benjamin all the time. And he has even different voices, so that is very cool. If you have any questions, just ask down below in the comments and I will answer them. And now over to my hair care routine. I'm starting off with brushing my hair so it's nice and soft. I put some water in it. And the first thing that I'm using is this shampoo from Redken. And then I use this purple shampoo just to make my hair color a little bit cold. And as you can see, it's very important to wash my fingers because if not, I will be purple all over. And then I use the conditioner, which is also from Redken. Okay, so now that I'm finished, I always like to squeeze out the water, and I never rub my hair, if that makes sense. I always try to be as gentle as possible. And I also never use a blow dryer. I just let it air dry. That is my washing routine. And after that, I will put in some products that I will show you when it's dry. So these are the products that I'm using. It's Redken Extreme Anti-Snap, and that is for the ends, so they don't split as much. I also use Moroccan oil. Ja, det var jo sykt artig, altså. Jeg får sånn annen motivasjon til det. Når det er på engelsk. Jeg har lyst til å gjøre det hele tiden. Yeah. Yes, maybe I should. And as stupid as it is, I just showered and I'm going to the gym now to work out.
Ja, du kan ta... Ja. Maybe. And she also uses some wax from my hands in the hair.
Ha ha. Yo, it's a boy Benjamin here. Like this. Now my hair looks wet again, but it will dry soon. So we're gonna walk out in the sun.
She gonna have free for the first time.
No! Nei, vlogger du? Benjamin is vlogging! And I am packing my stuff.
Just a little bit. Just a bit.
Nei,
Jo!
jeg kan ikke ha hele den. Oh, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Fuck. Cheers.
Cheers, mate!
Cheers, mate.
And now he also got a little snack. So we can enjoy it while we're gone. And the TV's on, so he has something to listen to. Oh, hello there, handsome. Look at this weather. So now we're finished up with the workout and we are heading, or I'm heading to the cafe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just chill at this cafe and edit this vlog. This is the cafe I want to chill at. Its name is Budgie. Huh?
Passa?
Yeah, perfect. Okay. Well, bye.
Ettermiddag kommer.
Ja.
Snakkes, kos deg.
Ja, takk du også. This is so cozy. So now we are on our way to the store to buy some food. Are you excited? So now I and Kiwi are chilling and still editing this vlog. So yeah, I just want to say thank you for watching the whole video. If you want to follow my channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a like or a thumbs up, as they say. If you like this and you want me to continue or make more English vlogs, then comment below and I will know. if I should make some more. So yeah, see you later.